So this is already initialized, so we're just importing it into the app. So we tap it here. And it's going to ask us, do you want to export the descriptor? So you want to export the public key. Press the button. That's it. So now we have the wallet ready. No, obviously this is empty, so if we had some funds here, we could be sending them. But this is kind of the idea. So this is hardware wallet. You only have one button, just press to confirm, and it's all powered by NFC. So as soon as you tap it, it powers on, and when you're done, you remove it. Very, very simple. It's going to be...
Looks kind of nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's already good enough, I think, but it's going to be even better, the final version. I invented this thing. I'm CEO and CTO, I would say.
Okay, and where to find your stuff?
So the company is called 22. So if you look up on Google 22 devices, or the website is 20-2 written in letters .xyz.